to let you guys know that my online chocolate shop is now carrying dark chocolate truffles with the most delicious whipped dark chocolate ganache filling. They're so good, oh my gosh. They're only available for a limited time and we do ship internationally, so if you would like a box, definitely check out the link in the description box down below. Hello everybody, welcome back. So as you may see, I have a little guest here today that isn't that enthused about being on camera, even though we have cookies. Oh, you know that bird. And so today we are making some gummy bears for dogs, and this is part of my little Paddington's Pantry series, because this, if you will look at the camera, is Paddington, my Pomeranian, and every so often we make some dog-friendly treats. So today we are making some gummy bears, and I didn't know that dogs could eat gelatin for the longest time, and once I heard that that was possible, I'm like, oh my gosh, this needs to happen for YouTube. So we are making watermelon flavored gummy bears today, but they're actually not bears, they are little like bone shape. How cute is this mold? I'll have the mold link in the description box if you would like to check it out. And before we get started, I also want to let you guys know that I have a member-only exclusive Facebook group that will give you guys access, or will allow you guys to actually dictate what videos I film and give you guys a lot of creative control over this channel and over my chocolate shop on Etsy. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll have that link in the description box below. But without further ado, let's get started and make these little gummy bears. And also in that group, you'll get like behind the scenes photos and videos of Paddington, so if you want part of it. So let's get started. So first, what you want to do is place 2 cups of fresh watermelon in a food processor and pulse until smooth. Strain to remove any pulp and then measure 1 cup of watermelon juice. And so I'm using watermelon in this video just because it's safe for dogs and it's like a nice kind of flavor for gummy bears. I recommend using fresh fruit and kind of pureeing it this way versus using store-bought juice, just because there's a lot of additives in store-bought juice, like for humans, and you don't necessarily know if there's an ingredient in there that could harm your dog. There's a sweetener called xylitol, I have it on the screen here, and that is so toxic for dogs. So you definitely want to avoid anything with that and any kind of artificial sweetener. So just to be safe, I'd stick with fresh fruit. For dog-safe beef broth, I've purchased beef broth powder from the pet store, and it's safe for dogs. There's no onion or garlic in it, which is also toxic to dogs. So before you decide to make this for your dogs, just do a quick Google and make sure that the ingredient that you're using, like for the juice, is animal friendly or dog friendly. One thing to really stay away from is any kind of juice that contains grapes, or grape juice, obviously. Those are so toxic for dogs, oh my gosh, so definitely stay away from that. But yeah, I just recommend like call your vet or do a quick Google before. But watermelon is safe, and Paddington, like, oh my god, I was sitting on the couch the other night and I was eating watermelon and he saw me and literally like dove onto me because he wanted it so badly. So watermelon is dog safe. Then you want to sprinkle some gelatin into some water and microwave for 15 to 30 seconds or until it's liquid. And in regards to the gelatin, there's a lot of chatting in this video. You want to make sure that you're using Knox gelatin, which is plain, unflavored, unsweetened gelatin. Don't use jello, like the jello boxes or powder. That's because there are artificial sweeteners in that too, and those aren't safe for your dog. So just to be safe, I recommend using the Knox gelatin, and I'll have that linked in the description box below on Amazon if you want to pick some up. Then you want to pour the liquid gelatin into the watermelon juice and mix well. Pour the mixture into a gummy bear or mini bone mold and pop it into the fridge until it's set for about 1 to 2 hours. Then to unmold, feed them to your puppy, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. These gummies should be stored in the fridge and will probably last you around like 4 to 5 days, just because gummies don't tend to like last as long as like the regular kind of like hard baked cookie, and when they're at room temperature they soften up pretty quickly, so I definitely recommend storing them in the fridge. If you guys try these out, please, please, please send us photos and tag us at pankobunny and Paddington_Pom on Instagram. We would love to see what you make, and it always makes me so happy to see your creations. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, because I upload every day from Monday to Friday, and you will see a lot of Paddington. So if you love dog-friendly recipes and you like seeing some creative ones, this is definitely the channel for you. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for an all-new video. You're so upset. Bye! You're gonna wave, or you're like,